Good morning, Flomaton High School. This is Gracie Mosley with a few words of wisdom. There's an old story about two stonecutters. When asked what they were doing, the first stonecutter replied, "I'm cutting the stone into blocks." When asked the same question, the second stonecutter replied, "I'm building a great cathedral." So such depends on your attitude towards life. Our entire view of the world can change in an instant with a simple change in our thinking. For example, if your attitude towards school is negative, guess what? Your experience of school will likely be negative. If you see school as an opportunity to learn and grow and meet great people, guess what? You will probably be happy with an experience of going to school. So someone wise once said, all happiness is in the mind. It's simple but true. Today, notice your attitude toward the world around you. Well, something to think about. This is Gracie Mosley. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. The band will have their Christmas concert tonight at 6 p.m. in the auditorium. Come and support the band. The varsity basketball teams will play in the county tournament this Thursday through Saturday at WS Neal.